Today, I'm going to teach you how to store lily seeds. The lily stalks are all withered. Does that mean it's dead? No, it's in dormancy. Many people ask, when the lilies wither, should I dig up the bulbs and how should I store them? Today, let's talk about this topic. These are lilies that bloomed this year. One variety has already withered. If it's your first year planting them, there's no need to dig them up. Just leave them in the soil and let them grow again next year. If you grab it like this and it feels a bit moist, that's enough. If it's completely dry, just water it a little to moisten it. Did you know that this also helps the bulb grow? That means, even without the leaves and stalks, the bulb can still swell in the soil. So, as long as our pot is big enough, or if it's planted in the ground, there's no need to dig up the bulb every year. The purpose of digging up the bulb is because they've become overcrowded. So, dig up the bulb, separate the large and small ones, and replant them. If there's still enough space in the pot, you don't need to dig up the bulb next year. For those planted in the ground, it's even easier. You hardly need to do anything. Lilies are usually planted deep, so don't water them too often. If they're not overcrowded, there's no need to dig them up, because many gardeners face storage problems after digging up the bulbs. If you must dig them up, put the bulbs in a bag or box. Then add a little damp soil to cover them. Place the box in the fridge at a -5 degrees Celsius for refrigeration. But remember, not freezing. Wait for cooler weather or spring next year, and then take them out to replant.